Who said that it is enough to have tiny storage when you only want to use a few apps on your Chromecast with Google TV? Sadly, that is not the case here. Even when you only have a number of apps installed and running, Chromecast with Google TV will still run you out of storage sooner than you might think. Aside from the usual apps you download and install, Google TV operating system takes up almost half of your storage allocation. Furthermore, as you continue to download in-app functions and update the apps, you soon realize that you are facing the insufficient storage error message. This guide will walk you through troubleshooting and finding the right workaround to minimize storage issues on your Chromecast-enabled streaming player. Method 1. Clear your app cache data. To clear the cache, open your Chromecast with Google TV. In the upper right corner, click your profile. Navigate to Settings. Select Apps. Click See All Apps to view all the apps installed in your Chromecast with Google TV. Click the first app. Click the Clear Cache option. Click OK. Continue. Click Clear Data. Click OK to clear the app data. Do the same to all the apps installed. Method 2. Use a USB flash drive for added storage on your Chromecast with Google TV. It is indeed a misfortune for Chromecast with Google TV to provide only 8 GB of storage space for its users in this modern time. But, as you are facing a storage issue now, you need to do something to deal with the issue at hand. You can add more external storage space to your Chromecast with Google TV using a USB-C hub. Since there is only a single port for USB devices, you can use a USB Type-C dock or dongle with power splitter and USB ports to increase the storage space of your Chromecast with Google TV Media Player. The USB-C hub must have USB 3.0 speeds or better and a power pass-through. Chromecast with Google TV will reformat the USB-C flash drive that you connect to the hub and use it as additional space for your system storage. Method 3. Uninstall unused apps on your Chromecast with Google TV. It may not be the best idea, but it also helps to uninstall apps you no longer use, even if there are only a handful of them. You may find this method absurd given that you only have a few selected apps, and the chances of not using all of them are slim. But, it is still an option worth considering given the circumstances. That's it. Do you have other ideas that might help fix the low storage space problem on Chromecast with Google TV streaming device? You can share them in the comments section below for other users to know as well.